Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to create a resume for freshers or experienced through Canva in just few minutes. When I say few minutes, that means only 2 to 5 minutes max. So open your favorite browser and type canva.com. Once the canva.com is opened, you can simply sign in. It will not take much time to sign in Canva. And then we need to click on create a design, and in search just type resume and you will find the resume option right here. If you do not find it, just scroll down and you will find resume like this. I'll just click on that, and the moment you click on that, you will find a blank icon, blank sheet right here, and at the left hand side you will find the templates. Now the templates are important because you can see what exactly you want, and there are some pro versions. Since I'm using the pro, the frees are also good. Let me just scroll down, and here we have free option, the free option, and you can select any of it. And for me, it seems like this one looks very great. I'll just click on that. This is a single page resume. So if you're a fresher, a single page resume will be fine. Else you can create at least like 2 pages, and that can be done as well. So here I will just maximize it like this, and from here you can type your name, just edit the phone number, your email address like this, mention about your about me resume. You can check it online, and you can ask the chat GPT to create about me section for you. If you have experience, you can mention that. Else you can simply remove it and move this education one to the experience one, and here you can mention your education, your degree, the language, and it's a very simple resume if you are a fresher. So this video was specially I created for the freshers. The resume has to be clean. Let me tell you how you can export that. So I'll just click on share, and then we will click on download, and here I can download through PDF. I can download like JPEG or PNG like that. Alright. So I would recommend to download the PDF because it will be convenient for you, and you can also convert into Word. There are a lot of online converters through which you can convert your PDF to Word as well. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.